Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Viral. Good evening, Tanishka. Good evening to all of you. How are you, everyone? Good evening, everyone. So let us get started, everyone, with the today's session. आज के सेशन में आपका जो सैनिक स्कूल एडवांस एग्जाम है जीके का एक चैप्टर है. The name of the chapter is Shape of Earth and Gravitation. From that we are going to practice questions. Every year यहाँ से question raised होते हैं. Either you are targeting for Sainik School or you are targeting for Rashtriya Military School entrance exam. This is one of the most important topics. Okay, I'm good, Kanishka. How are you? Okay, and you have also given the answer, Viral. That's really quick. Good evening, Abhinav. So quickly everyone join the session and we will get started. The question number 1 that you can see on your screens is Earth rotates from Earth. किस direction में rotate करता है? Earth rotates from east to west, west to east, north to south, south to north. What is the direction for the rotation of Earth? In which direction Earth rotates? Everyone, provide your answers. What will be the correct answer? Hello, beta. What will be the correct answer for question? Viral has said B. Kanishka has also said B. But we have to keep in mind Earth किस direction में rotate करता है? Earth always rotates from west to east. In which direction Earth rotates? Earth rotates from west to east direction. Okay, not from east to west. Earth किस direction में rotate करता है? Earth rotates from west direction to east direction. Because Earth rotates from west direction to east direction, इसीलिए हमको sunrise will always appear from east and sun always sets in west. Why this phenomena happens? Because sun का जो rotation है that takes place in which direction? It takes place from west to east. This very same question this was asked in this year's RMS exam. RMS का इस year का जो exam हुआ था उसमें ये question आया था that sun rotates in which direction. So right answer we have for the question is option A. Question number 2, Earth was formed around how many years ago? Earth was formed. Earth was formed around 80 lakh years ago, 9 trillion years ago, 4.7 million years ago, or 9.8 billion years ago. How many years? How many years ago the Earth was formed? What will be the correct answer? D. 9.8. No. Correct answer is option C. Earth was formed around 4.7 million years ago. How many million years ago Earth was formed? Earth कितने साल पहले formed हुआ था? Earth was formed near around 4.7 million years ago. Question number 3. The shape of Earth is known as. What is the shape of Earth? Shape of Earth को हम क्या कहते हैं? Flat, oval, circle or geoid. The shape of Earth is known as flat, oval, circle or geoid. The Earth का जो shape होता है, okay, what do we call it? Not oval, okay. The shape of Earth, everyone, we have to keep in mind. Earth का shape कैसे होता है? The shape of Earth is geoid. It is a little flat from the top and bottom and little spherical on the sides. Okay, this kind of structure is there. So such a shape, okay, that from poles it is flattened, from equator it is bulged out. Such a portion is called geoid. So what is the shape of Earth called? Shape of Earth is called geoid. Question number 4. The following constitute the land component of Earth. Which of the following constitute the land component of Earth? हमारे Earth में we can divide the Earth into 4 spheres: lithosphere, atmosphere, biosphere and hydrosphere. So which component constitute the land sphere? What is the land sphere of the Earth? What is the land sphere of the Earth? Hydrosphere, biosphere, lithosphere or? What will be the correct answer? B. Very good. Correctly answered, Viral. No, not B. B, biosphere. Sorry. Biosphere is not the answer. Look, hydrosphere. Hydrosphere. Hydro word is present. Hydro word का मतलब क्या होता है? Hydro word stands for water. So the component of Earth जिसमें क्या present होगा? The component of Earth which contains the water, that is hydrosphere. Okay. Biosphere. Biosphere is the component of Earth which contains all living organism. That component of Earth is called as biosphere. Lithos. Lithos means solid, rock, land. Lithosphere. Lithosphere component constitutes the land. Okay, and after that we have atmosphere. Atmosphere is the component of Earth that constitute the air. So question is asking the component of Earth that constitute the land part. The land part क्या होगा यहाँ पे? Lithosphere. Lithosphere is the component of Earth that constitute the land part. So right answer we have for the question is option C, lithosphere. Next question is, how many subsystems or components are there in Earth? How many subsystems or components are there in Earth? Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3 or option D 4. How many components or subsystem are there in Earth? Earth में कितने components होते हैं और how many subsystems are there? 1 component, 2 components, 3 components, 4 components. D. Correctly answered, Kanishka. Very good. How many components are there in Earth? In Earth we have 4 components. What are the 4 components of Earth? Clear होंगे. Hydrosphere, the part of Earth that has water, biosphere, lithosphere and atmosphere. Okay. Correct. Very good. Okay. The correct answer will be option D. D will be the correct answer. What are the 4 subsystems or 4 components? Hydrosphere that contains water, biosphere जिसमें living organisms होते हैं, lithosphere which contains land, rock, soil and atmosphere, the air component. Okay, the next question after this is the question number 6. Okay, the subsystem or component of Earth that contains all solid, liquid and gaseous water of the Earth. The subsystem or component of the Earth that contains all solid, liquid and gaseous water. The solid form of Earth, the component of Earth, the subsystem of Earth that contains all the solid, liquid and gaseous water. What will be the correct answer? Hello Meera, how are you? Okay, so why D will be the answer? What is the question asking? Solid, liquid and gaseous water. Question किसके लिए पूछ रहा है? Question is asking for water. What is the chemical formula of water? Water का chemical formula क्या होता है? H2O. Water किसमें present होता है? The subsystem of Earth that contains the water is called hydrosphere. In hydrosphere, water is present in all the forms. Okay, water के कितने forms हुए? Gaseous form of water. 3 forms of water are there. Gaseous form. What is gaseous form? Gaseous form is water vapor. Okay. Liquid form. Liquid form is the simple, normal water that we drink. Solid form. What is the solid form? Solid form is ice. So ice, water, water vapor, all the 3 of them, they were included in what? They are included in hydrosphere. So right answer we will have for the question is option A, hydrosphere. Question number 7. Among the following contains all the cold, hard, solid land of the Earth crust. Which one among the following contains all the cold, hard, solid land of the Earth? What will be the correct answer? Hydrosphere, biosphere, lithosphere or atmosphere? C. Very good, Viral. Correctly answered. Your answer is correct. Correct, Harshita. C is the right answer. Good. Okay, the question is asking for land. The land part कौन सा होता है? Lithosphere. Lithosphere is the land part. So what is the right answer for question? Option C. Correct, Kanishka. C is the right answer. Question number 8. The component of planet Earth that contains all living things included microorganisms, plants and animals. In which component of Earth all the living things are present? सभी living things जो होते हैं like us, humans, animals, plants, microbes, where are they present? B. Very good, Viral. Once again your answer is first and your answer is correct. Very good. Okay. So biosphere. Biosphere में what we have used? We have used the term bio. Bio here what it will stand for? It will stand for living. Bio किसके लिए stand कर रहा है यहाँ पे? Bio will stand for living. So right answer we will have for the question is option B. Correct, Kavya. Correct, Kanishka. Correct, Harshita. Biosphere. Question number 9. all the air present on the earth system is included under which component? The entire air that is present in the systems of the earth. तो वो air किस में included होता है? That is included in which component? Hydrosphere, biosphere, lithosphere or atmosphere. What will be the right answer? Okay, Viral has given answer D. Kanishka has also answered D. Good. Everyone, your answers is correct. What will be the correct answer? Atmosphere. Correct answer क्या होगा यहाँ पे? Atmosphere. जितना भी air present है earth में, वो किस component में included है? It is included in the atmosphere. So right answer we have for the question is option D, atmosphere. Question number 10. Okay. This question is half. So यहाँ से हम लेते हैं. Question number 11. This will be the 10th one. Which one among the following is the most important function of upper portion of atmosphere? Which one among the following is the most important function of uppermost portion of atmosphere? Atmosphere के uppermost portion का सबसे important function क्या होगा? It absorbs the heat. It protects the biosphere from sun's UV radiation. It absorbs the harmful heat or both. What will be the correct answer for the question? Okay. Good, Viral. D is the right answer. Correct, Kanishka. Correct, Kavya. What is the function of uppermost portion of atmosphere? Atmosphere के uppermost portion का function क्या होता है? The uppermost portion of atmosphere, it absorbs the harmful UV radiations coming from the sun. Sun से जो harmful UV radiations होते हैं, उनको क्या करता है? It protects us from them, it absorbs them, and it also absorbs the harmful heat that is coming from the sun. So what will be the right answer for question? The correct answer will be option D, both B and C. Okay, question number 12. Every object in the universe attracts every other object with a force. This force of attraction is called. Every object in the universe attracts every other object with this force. This force of attraction is called as gravity, gravitation, electromagnetic force, or good evening, Namita. None of these. So let us say there are two objects. ये दोनों ही objects क्या करेंगे? एक दूसरे को attract करेंगे. This object will attract this one. This object will attract this one. Okay. So what will be the correct answer over here? इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? This force you have to keep in mind is called gravitation. What is the force called? This force is called gravitation. The force by which every object क्या करता है? It attracts every other object on the earth. That force is called as gravitation. And the gravitation force of earth. What is gravity? Gravity is gravitation force of earth. Earth का जो gravitation force होता है. Okay, the gravitation force of earth, that is called as gravity. उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? We call it gravity. Okay, so if the question is asking what is the gravitation force of earth called, so gravitation force of earth will be called gravity. And what is gravitation? Gravitation is the force by which every object attracts every another object. So right answer क्या होगा? Option B, gravitation. Next is, which of the following is responsible for holding the universe together? Which of the following is responsible for holding the universe together? Nuclear force, electromagnetic force, weak nuclear force, or gravity? So we have to keep in mind the force of gravity or gravitation is responsible for holding all the universe together. D is the correct answer. Very good. The next question, due to presence of gravitational force of the earth, what happens because of gravitational force of the earth? It attracts everything towards itself. It repels everything away from itself. Both none of these. Earth के पास जो gravitational force present है, the gravity, due to the presence of gravitational force of earth, what is going to happen? Earth will attract everything towards itself. Earth will repel everything away from itself. Both or none of these. क्या आंसर होगा यहाँ पे? Correct Harshita, correct Namita, correct Kanishka. What will be the answer here? Like you remember, like anything, आप कोई भी चीज drop करते हो, what happens? Anything you drop, that thing just goes towards the surface of the earth. वो हमेशा land की तरफ जाता है. Why that happens? Due to the force of attraction. Everything, what will happen? The earth will attract everything towards itself. So right answer you will have for the question is option A. Correct Raghunandan, correct Viral, good evening Sarita. Right answer will be option A. Question number 15. Which one of the following is the reason that we do not fall on the surface of earth? क्या reason है? That when we are walking, when we are talking, when we are moving, running, why we never fall on the surface of earth? हम कभी भी earth के surface पे fall क्यों नहीं करते? What is the reason? Because of the presence of gravitational force, because of the presence of force on earth, because of presence of electromagnetic force on earth, or none of these. Okay, so first answer is given by Bhavya. A. Correct Kanishka, correct Amita, correct Harshita. Yes, Aditi, I have not forgotten you. Okay, I know Aditi is your name. It's just that आपका जो written name होता है वो पहले आ जाता है. Okay, so that's by habit I end up reading it. Otherwise, I know your name is Aditi. Okay. Correct. A is the right answer. Okay, so due to the presence of gravitational force, okay, we do not fall on the surface of earth. The next question is, which of the following is the reason because of which water flows only in the downward direction? If you will ever look to the movement of rivers, rivers के movement को हम देखेंगे तो हमेशा क्या होता है? The water always comes in the downward direction. From mountains, it comes towards the plains. Okay. So what is the reason for this? Because of the gravitational force this happens. Because of the electromagnetic force this happens. Because of the nuclear force, or none of these. So we have to keep in mind, because of the gravitational force this happens. Why does this happen? It happens because of the gravitational force. Correct. Kavya, Raghunandan, Kanishka, Viral and Harshita. Because of the gravitational force, water always flows in the downward direction. Okay, the next question is, which one is the weakest force in the nature? इसके लिए भी हमको याद रखना है, the weakest force in the nature, gravitational force is considered to be as the weakest force in the nature. Okay, next question, question number 19. Which one of the following is responsible for the orbital motion between sun and planet? Now, what is the meaning of orbital motion between sun and planet? At the center we have sun and all the planets. What they are doing? All the planets are circling around what? They are circling around sun. So which force is responsible जिसके कारण ये जो planets होते हैं, they are moving in their orbit and they are taking revolutions around the sun. That motion, that is called as orbital motion. So what is responsible for this? The gravitational force is responsible for this. Nuclear force is responsible for this. Electromagnetic force, or none of these, or all of these. Correct. A, everyone. Very good. For this also, gravitational force. क्या responsible होगा? Gravitational force is responsible for the movement of planets around the sun in the orbital motion. Question number 20. Gravitational pull of earth is known as. The gravitational pull of earth is called gravity, gratitude, graphite, or all of these. Earth के gravitational pull को हम क्या कहते हैं? Okay, very good, Raghunandan. Correct, Kanishka. What will be the correct answer? Correct, Harshita. Correct, Viral. Correct, Bhavya. The gravitational force, the gravitational pull of the earth. Earth के gravitational pull को हम क्या कहते हैं? What will be the right answer for question? Option A, gravity will be the correct answer. Next question, which one of the following is correct regarding gravitational force? Which one of the following is correct regarding the gravitational force? It is the strongest force. This is wrong. It is one of the weakest force in the nature. Okay, ये strongest नहीं होता. It is one of the weakest force in the nature. So the statement is correct. It is also conservative in nature. So right answer will be option D, both A and B. Okay, the next question, question number 22, and this is also the last question from this chapter. Okay, the model of earth is known as. Earth के model को हम क्या कहते हैं? The model of earth is known as circle, sphere, globe or marble. Sphere, no. C, correctly answered, Viral. Very good. Correct, Harshita. Correct, Kavya. Model of earth is called globe. Earth के model को क्या कहा जाता है? Model of earth is called as globe. And shape of earth. Shape of earth को हम क्या कहते हैं? Shape of earth is called geoid. What is the shape of earth called? Shape of earth is called geoid. And model of earth. Model of earth को हम क्या कहते हैं? Model of earth is globe. So this we have to keep in mind. Okay, so in this chapter we had 22 questions. We have completed those 22 questions. Tomorrow we will have the class for intelligence. वहाँ पे हम questions solve करेंगे. We will be solving the questions from intelligence. And this class, everyone, we are going to sum up today. Tomorrow we will meet once again at 8:15. वहाँ पे हम intelligence के questions करेंगे. And on Saturday we will have the class for English. So there will be the questions from English. Okay, bye Viral, good night. So with this, everyone, we will be summing up our today's session, and we'll meet once again tomorrow. Bye everyone, good night. Good night Kavya. Good night Kanishka.